Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wealthfront, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with budgeting using Wealthfront, first, create a Wealthfront account if you don't have one. Visit the Wealthfront website or download the app from your device's app store. Follow the prompts to sign up, providing your email address and personal information. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the planning section. In the planning section, select cash flow to see your income and expenses. Enter your monthly income and review any pre-filled expenses provided by Wealthfront. Adjust the expense categories according to your spending habits for accuracy. Wealthfront will generate a visualization of your cash flow, showing surplus or deficit. Next, set your financial goals by selecting the Goals option. Choose from common goals, such as saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retirement. Input your target amount and timeline for each goal you select. Wealthfront will calculate how much you need to save monthly for each goal. Review your total budget to see if adjustments are necessary for your spending. Use the insights provided by Wealthfront to make informed decisions about your finances. Monitor your budget regularly, making updates as your financial situation changes. Consider setting up automatic transfers to savings to stay on track with your goals. Finally, check back frequently to readjust your budget based on progress and new expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.